Welcome to the first section, Understanding the Garmin Watch Connection Failed Error. The Garmin Watch Connection Failed Error means your Garmin watch can't communicate with your phone or computer via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. This prevents syncing activity data, receiving notifications, and updating the watch. The error commonly appears during initial pairing or during regular data syncing. This video will show you how to fix it. Before attempting to connect your Garmin watch, start by checking the basic requirements for compatibility and connection range. First, ensure your Garmin watch model is compatible with your smartphone. Garmin supports most modern Android and iOS devices, but older models may have limitations. You can check compatibility on Garmin's official website by searching for your specific watch model. Your smartphone must meet minimum operating system requirements. For iOS devices, you need iOS 12.0 or later. For Android devices, Android 8.0 or later is required. These versions ensure the Garmin Connect app can establish and maintain a reliable Bluetooth connection with your watch. Maintain a connection range of no more than 30 feet or about 10 meters between your watch and phone. Bluetooth signals weaken over distance and can be blocked by walls, furniture, or other physical barriers. If you move too far apart, the connection may fail or become unstable. Electronic interference can disrupt your Bluetooth connection. Common sources include Wi-Fi routers, microwave ovens, cordless phones, and other Bluetooth devices operating nearby. Try moving away from these devices or turning them off temporarily if you experience connection issues. To summarize the basic requirements, first verify your devices are compatible by checking Garmin's website. Ensure your phone meets the minimum OS requirements. Keep the devices within 30 feet of each other and avoid sources of electronic interference. These simple checks can often resolve connection issues before more complex troubleshooting. A simple restart can often resolve temporary glitches that cause connection failures. Power off both your Garmin watch and smartphone. Wait about 30 seconds to clear temporary glitches and allow the devices to reset properly. Turn both devices back on after the wait period. After they've restarted, try syncing your watch with the Garmin Connect app again. Outdated software can cause connectivity issues. Start by updating the Garmin Connect app to the latest version from the App Store or Google Play. Next, use Garmin Express on your computer to update your Garmin watch firmware. This ensures both the app and watch have the latest software. Finally, clear the Garmin Connect app's cache in your phone's settings to remove temporary files that may be causing problems. After completing these updates and cache clearing, your Garmin watch should connect successfully. Now let's proceed to troubleshooting step 3, Bluetooth reset and app permissions. First, on your smartphone, turn Bluetooth off and then back on. This simple reset can clear temporary connection issues. Next, go into your phone's settings and ensure the Garmin Connect app has all necessary permissions. These include Bluetooth for device communication, location for GPS features, and background app refresh for continuous syncing. Finally, if issues persist, try revoking these permissions and then granting them again. This can sometimes resolve underlying conflicts that prevent proper connections. If the basic troubleshooting steps haven't resolved the connection failed error, it's time to try more advanced solutions. The most effective approach is to completely remove the Garmin watch from your phone's Bluetooth settings and the Garmin Connect app. Then repair it as if it were a brand new device. First, remove the watch from your phone's Bluetooth settings. Open your phone's settings app, navigate to Bluetooth, find your Garmin watch in the paired devices list, and select Forget or Unpair. This clears the existing connection data. Next, remove the watch from within the Garmin Connect app. Open the app, go to the Menu or More section, select Garmin Devices, and choose to remove or delete your watch from the list. Now, repair the watch as if it were brand new. Put your Garmin watch into pairing mode by following the on-screen instructions, then open the Garmin Connect app and select Add Device. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the pairing process. Once paired successfully, you should have a fresh, stable connection between your Garmin watch and phone. Test the connection by syncing some data to ensure everything is working properly. A factory reset on your Garmin watch should only be considered as a last resort when all other troubleshooting steps have failed to resolve the connection issue. Be aware that performing a factory reset will erase all your personal data, including activity history, settings, and preferences. Make sure to back up any important information before proceeding. To perform the reset, consult your specific watch model's manual for detailed instructions, as the process can vary between Garmin models like Forerunner or Phoenix. Once the reset is complete, you'll need to set up the watch from scratch and pair it again with your phone through the Garmin Connect app. Looking ahead, Garmin is actively developing solutions to minimize connection errors and enhance connectivity. The company is integrating AI-assisted troubleshooting directly into the Garmin Connect app, which will automatically detect and resolve common issues like signal interference or permission problems. Additionally, Garmin is exploring hybrid connectivity options, including satellite messaging in models like the Instinct 3 Solar. This allows watches to maintain connections in remote areas where traditional Bluetooth or Wi-Fi signals are weak or unavailable. Future Garmin watches are expected to feature robust self-healing systems powered by machine learning. These systems will proactively address connectivity problems, reducing the need for user intervention and creating more reliable device interactions. To take advantage of these advancements, it's important to keep both your watch firmware and the Garmin Connect app updated. Regular updates will ensure you receive the latest connectivity improvements and bug fixes. In summary, with AI-driven diagnostics, satellite connectivity, and self-healing technologies, Garmin is working toward a future where connection failures are significantly reduced. By staying current with updates, users can enjoy more seamless and dependable smartwatch experiences.